So we're at Thruxton, a track I bought just now. I've done 10 minutes of practice on it and one lap of qualifying and I crashed. So I'm at the back. I sort of know where it goes.
Be ready. Green.
And we're off. So let's see. It's a very, very fast track, so it needs a lot of commitment. So you do need to know where you can be committed and where you can't. And it's a fixed setup.
There's no point in that shit.
Fixed setup. I mean, that guy just... He almost did that deliberately, didn't he? Not keeping his brakes on. There was no need for that. He could have braked and stopped himself hitting that other guy. That was not very nice of him. But anyway. So yeah. So I've done like half a dozen laps. I know where it goes. But commitment in terms of the fast corners, I'm not there yet. And I'm not using enough curb. I watched the guy on pole and how much curb he's using, and I'm just not using anywhere near that amount. So I need to do better, as they say.
Left side. Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
Okay. So, like I say, I sort of know where it goes.
Still there.
But it's the commitment.
Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
I mean, yeah, I'm not using half as much curb as the guy on pole did, but anyway, we're still going. One lap in. Where are we? 13. It's only a 15-minute race.
22.201.
So that bit there, I braked a bit, but don't know if I should have done. This is where I crashed in qualifying, so I don't want to do that again. So yeah, I'm falling back a bit here. Last guys are in the 107s. I think this is a top split race based on the Division 1 drivers that are here. So I do need to pull my finger out here if I can. So I think I should be able to go quicker there.
Right side.
So I'm going to let this guy go because he's obviously got a bit more pace than me.
Hold your line. Clear on the right.
Tyres aren't quite ready yet. If I can get into the 108s, maybe 109s, that'd be good.
11.215.
So 11, I mean, that's as quick as I've gone. I need to go quicker. So I'm going quicker. I'm at the back anyway. So this bit here, it's easy to just go wide and off, which clearly I don't want to do. And it's just an ease off, is it? So a bit quicker that time. So I think as soon as I get used to the track and it heads in, I'll be okay. It'll be quite a nice track to drive. I'm just not quite there yet.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 6.83. Car stopped on the right.
Somebody went off then. See if we can catch them.
9.925. New fastest lap for you.
That's very good. That's very good for me compared to what I was doing. More curb, that's what I need to use. So we're still getting dropped a bit, unfortunately. It'd be nice to have a bit of a race with them, wouldn't it? If we could just push a little bit harder. That's when you go off, isn't it? And you just push a little bit harder. Anyway, let's see. Yeah, I think I could possibly go through there flat, couldn't I? Not lifting off at all. Let's see. Maybe next time around we'll try it. Definitely take a lot more curb there.
9.501. New fastest lap.
9.5, that's good.
10 minutes to go. You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 2.5
Should have
seconds.
taken some curb there. I got that wrong. Okay. Losing out a little bit here, aren't we? That's where you can just sort of drift out too wide and be all over the shop, which is where I am at the moment, all over the shop. So we're trying this flat, aren't we? Didn't work. I chickened out. Chickened out. Maybe next time. I don't think I had the right line. Clearly you can take a fair bit of liberty there.
9.891.
And there. Probably going too fast there. Come on, it'd be nice to catch somebody up. Lost a bit of speed there. This time then. No, I'm easing. I can feel myself easing.
7.
I can feel myself easing. I can't force myself to do that flat out yet. Next time. Yeah, I do like this track. I only bought it
9.8.
about half an hour ago. Oh, sorry, bought it yesterday, but only used it half an hour ago. Looks like we've caught somebody. Can we make a move? Definitely getting more familiar. I'm not going any faster now, but I'm being a bit more at ease with the track. A bit more ease than he is, I think.
Clear on the left.
I eased again, didn't I? I think I should be able to go around there flat. I can't sort of stop myself easing off. Ugh. It's going to equal my best lap anyway.
9.51.
Okay, maybe that's not the right amount of curb to take there. Yeah, that wasn't right, was it? I got that completely wrong, I think. I was put off after that first turn.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.5 seconds.
Right. That's out. No lift. Oh, I lifted. You can see on the train. I just lifted a tiny bit.
Is 5.
Next time, no lift. Okay.
10.057.
Didn't quite get that right. I wonder if first might be better here. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know.
5 minutes to go.
Okay. No lift. No lift. Foot to the floor, no lift. No lift, it can be done. Okay, now obviously that's with less fuel on board, so I don't know what it's like early on, but that's just a mental corner, that is, isn't it?
You got a slow car on the right.
It's got to be an off track, yeah.
Slow down. You got a penalty?
Telling me I need to yield.
Car right.
Oh, come on, mate. That's not the right place to go, is it?
Clear on the right.
He's obviously gathered himself. So I think second was better around here. Okay. We're not going as fast as we were. Yeah, hugging a little bit closer to that corner's better. Now then, we know we can do this flat out, so let's try again. I had to ease. I had to ease again. Didn't quite get the apex, did I? Well, that's a hard corner, that is. Just to get right. Better. Didn't skip the corner that time. Did that better as well. It's getting a bit sketchy on the rears, I find. I think the rears look quite warm, don't they? Yeah, went a bit wide there. I'm not going to go flat out this time because I've got someone up the inside. So, good excuse to ease.
Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right.
So, yeah. Daniel a bit quicker than me through that. Oh, he nearly went, didn't he? Okay, can't be long left now.
9, 6, 8.
Just a little lift there. Oh, somebody's off.
You got a slow car on the left.
How have you done that?
Right, another car to race then.
The leader is running 7.3.
Oh. Much better run for us there. You get that corner wrong, you lose it down here, don't you?
Gaining on the car in front. The gap
Okay.
is 1.5 seconds.
Flat out.
Clear on the left.
Yep. Just. Scary that is. I wouldn't like to do that in real life. Bloody hell. Oh.
9.499. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Okay, fastest lap. So 9. So I'm getting a bit better. Okay, that's a bit better as well. A lot better, actually.
You're pulling away from the car.
Yes, you have to stay tight there, don't you?
6 seconds.
And then flat out through here. Yeah, tiny lift. So hard to force yourself not to lift. Come on.
White flag, stay smooth.
Right then, can we get one more place? I was going to say this was going to be my fastest lap. I'm not sure if it will be now.
9.48. New fast.
Yeah, only just though. I think the rear tyres are getting very slippery. How much time that's cost us there. I'm not going to make that up, I don't think. What a track this is. What a track. This is going to be great for some different classes. Right, last chance. Oh, flat out, flat out, flat out. Hey! Yep. Yeah, this is going to be a really fun place to race, I think. Glad I bought this. I'll thank Arthur for this one. He suggested to buy another track, so thank you. There we go. Done. 1X as well. It's not too bad, is it? We made it.
All right, there's the checkered flag. Okay, we'll get it.
Yeah, hard work that. Okay, let's have a look at the incident at the start. Okay, at the start then, so somebody went off on this first right-hander, but this red car here, why didn't he hold his brakes? It just ruined that guy's race. He could have held his brakes. So we just look at the incident from a car further out. So we just got started. There's a bit of a touch in that first corner with the yellow car going off and a red car. And then this red car didn't hold his brakes and just rolled across the track. I mean, that guy had nowhere to go, did he? Always hold your brakes. So, results then. Yeah, top split. I thought it was. Nice bit of safety rating. Tiny drop in I rating. Best lap of 6.8. Bloody hell. He was very quick, wasn't he? Second quicker than anyone else. Look at that. Blimey. Okay, where was I? All the way down here. So not many people, well, I say not many people went off. A few did. A 9.4. So pretty much the slowest guy in the whole race. Everyone else is in the 8s. Everyone's in, yeah, slowest guy in the race. Okay, well, yeah, I think I can go quicker. A bit of practice. Like I say, I only did like 10 minutes practice after buying the track and pretty much the race. But what a track. Love it. So you'll see quite a few more at Thruxton, I think. Anyway, if you enjoyed that and want to see more, then do stick around. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.